Hey, what's up? So I wanted to show you something I've been doing lately that's been really useful for experimenting with Builderius and working faster. And this is using Claude Code as basically a sandbox assistant. So here's the situation. I wanted to experiment with WooCommerce queries in Builderius, but I don't really use Woo. So I don't have a store set up, I don't have products, I don't have any of that. And I didn't feel like spending an hour to set that all up. So instead, I asked Claude Code to do it for me. Let me show you what that looked like. So this is literally what I asked. I asked it to use WP CLI and skills for WordPress. I will link in the description how to get WordPress skills. And I wanted it to create a Woo site, a store with products, and I told it to be a clothing store. I wanted to have nice images, so I said use nice, elegant images. And just fill it with data, use some convincing names, and I need like 30 items, and just use Woo, no extensions, right? And so it just went on and did it. And the result was like I have all these items here, right? So this is the report. It told me what items I have in my store, and nice. Now, this is an interesting thing. A couple of months ago, we published a kind of a learning material for Claude about our GraphQL queries. At the time, at least I didn't know about Claude Code skills, but it's basically a skill for Claude Code. So it's on this post on our site that I will link in the description as well. And if you open it up, it's a simple markdown file, which you can link and give it to Claude. So I told it, well, take this, read it, and create a loop for those very products. The nice thing, Claude Code was the one who created the product, so it now knows everything about it. It knows all the fields, knows everything, right? And by providing this link, it also knows how to write GraphQL for Builderius. So I copied that query and I went to my website. I opened up a page. So inside the page, I went into dynamic data. I created shop query. And I pasted the entire thing. Clicking get data shows that I'm getting all the data I need. So now I was ready. I could design this. I could add things like in stock, like prices, like the name, the category. So this is also already a kind of nested loop within the products. I was able to create pagination. Coming here, you can see it's really a products page, really working. So yeah, if you're learning Builderius and you want to test things with the data you don't have, or you want to write queries you don't know how to write, use Claude Code. Give it our skills file from the blog. That's it. Hope this gives you some ideas, and see you in the next one.